open source filament, XYZ 3D printer that allows third-party 1.75mm PLA filaments. Standard alone 3D printer, 5.9 x 5.9 x 5.9 build volume and fully enclosed design. Print with any third-party filament. The Vinci Jr 1.0 Pro has adjustable temperature settings for the extruder nozzle, making it compatible with third-party 1.75mm PLA filaments. UL listed for the purpose of classification or evaluation with respect to one or more of the following, specific risks only, for example, casualty, fire or shock. 0.3mm nozzle upgrade optional add-on. The 0.3mm diameter extruder can provide a smoother print surface at a spectacular 50-micron resolution. Jr Pro can change the nozzle and print bed temperature, speed, print support and retraction settings. Jr Pro is compatible with third-party G-codes Cure and Slick 3R.